How much does Webflow cost? I've got the pricing page open here. I'm going to show you the current pricing as they've got a lot of different options and it is quite complicated. So I'm going to go through it all right here. First of all, if you want to get an offer, you want to try Webflow for free, you can click my link just below this video and you can get that free look, that free trial of Webflow, see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these pricing options. If not, you don't pay anything as it is a free trial. So starting left to right, we've got starter plan. This is their free plan. I believe it's free forever. You get a webflow.io domain. You get limited Webflow CMS, 2 static pages, 1 gig of bandwidth, 50 form submissions, etc, etc. You can see the options here. I won't read everything, but if you come to the pricing page, you can hover over these and get some more information as well. So then their basic plan, kind of their entry-level plan, this says for simple sites that don't need a CMS. This one is $15 per month. And you can see that you get the custom domain, so that allows you to have your own custom domain. It won't be branded with a webflow.io domain. So that will be your own proper domain, your own proper URL. You get 300 static pages with basic 10 gig bandwidth, unlimited form submissions, and so on and so forth. You can see the options there on the screen. Then we've got premium for content-rich sites with robust CMS and traffic needs. That is billed at $25 per month. And you can see you get everything in basic, plus you get the Webflow CMS. You get 50 gig of bandwidth, code components, a site search, form, file, upload, and well-known files as well. You can see what well-known files are. Quite important depending on your use case. So that was the site plan. So site plans are described by Webflow as AI native platforms for you can start building with Webflow's AI native platform for free. You can upgrade anytime to unlock advanced features. The platform plans, on the other hand, are described as curated essentials for growing organizations. So if you're a larger team, larger company, you can go with the team plan at $2,500 per month. That an annual contract is required. These are the kind of the enterprise plans. You've got the enterprise plan here, that's custom pricing, and you can actually talk to them. I won't go through all the options here, but you can talk to the team if you have some more kind of stronger requirements right here. But for most people, the site plans are going to be enough. These are really handy as well. You can click these 2 buttons here, you can get a full breakdown, you can get this table, you can open up these options here, and you can see a full breakdown side by side if you open these up of the different options. You've got starter, basic, and premium. And it's really handy actually when you're looking for a tool like this on the pricing page to be able to see side by side what you're going to get and what you're not going to get in some cases. So you can just go down there and see all of these options here and see which one is the right plan for you. You can do the same with the platform plans as well. So that was site plans and platform plans. So I've covered that. I should mention that that was yearly pricing. So everything I talked about here, you're actually saving 40% with the yearly pricing. Only downside is you pay up front for all of the months. So you're paying the money up front. If you want to be on a rolling contract month to month, you can select monthly here. You will pay more per month, but you won't have to pay all in one go up front like you do for yearly plan. So I do recommend the yearly plan purely for the savings. I mean, you're saving 40%, so it's pretty worthwhile. Then we've got the add-ons as we scroll down here. You can select these different add-on options and get more information there. You can check out all of the add-on features, again, if you open up these drop-downs. And then there's some more blurb here. There's some frequently asked questions if you want to check out some more information here. But I highly encourage you to click the link in the video description, check out the free trial of Webflow, see if it is for you. If it is, stick around. You can get one of these pricing plans. If not, no worries, you can stick around on the free plan. So hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.